Let's work on solving equations using exponential functions. In this one, we're posed with the problem to solve 9 to the x plus 5 equals 6 to the x. This is in the section on exponentials and logarithms, and this relies on the critical fact that exp and log are inverse operations. So, in order to undo exponentials, we take the logarithm. So, what we're going to do when we're posed with 9x plus 5 equals 6 to the x, I see that I have an x inside the upstairs of this equation. And so what I'm going to do is take log of both sides. Let's go ahead and do that. And I'll have that I have the natural log of 9 to the x plus 5 equals the natural log of 6 to the x. Another critical fact that you need to remember is that the natural log of a to the b equals b natural log of a. So the b gets to come out front. The power gets to come down front of the natural logs. And that's really nice because what that's going to let us do is we're going to take this x plus 5 and it's going to come down front, and this x is going to come down front of that one. So we're going to use that natural log of a to the b equals b natural log of a. So on my next line, I'm going to have x plus 5 times natural log of 9 equals x times natural log of 6. And now the natural log of 9 and the natural log of 6, those are just numbers. And so we can just kind of leave those as what they are, and we're going to try to solve for x. So I'm going to put everything that has an x on one side and everything that doesn't on the other. I'm going to distribute to get that natural log of 9 across there. And I'll have x times natural log of 9 plus 5 times natural log of 9 equals x times natural log of 6. And now I need to get my x's on one side, so we're going to move that to the other side, and we're going to move that to the right-hand side. So then I'll have x times natural log of 9 minus x times natural log of 6 equals minus 5 times natural log of 9. I have a common factor of x here. And so we're going to factor it out. X times natural log of 9 minus natural log of 6 equals minus 5 times natural log of 9. And then finally, we've got to divide by that to get x by itself. So then my final answer will be x equals minus 5 natural log of 9 over natural log of 9 minus natural log of 6. And so at this point, you could enter it into your calculator, or we could simplify the denominator using additional logarithm rules. I think I'm going to stay here, and then I'll just plug this into my TI calculator, and then I'll be content. And so if I was going to plug this into my TI, I would plug it in as it'll be minus 5 times natural log of 9 divided by, open a paren, natural log of 9 minus natural log of 6. And I get the answer is 27.0951129. And we can check our work if we want. If I take, that doesn't seem right. I think, it's a minus. It's a minus. Yep, it's a minus. Forgot that minus sign. So if I take that and plug that in, do I get that 9 to the minus 27.0951129 plus 5 equals 6 to the minus 27.0951129? And I hope the answer is yes. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, this totally checks out. And so I checked this. So if I take this, then you can check this by going 9 to the ants plus 5 minus 6 to the ants, and I got minus 1.42 times 10 to the minus 33, which is about 0. So absolutely, this solves the problem. So critical skills in this one were twofold. One, exponent log or inverse operations, and I should take the natural log of both sides, first thing, and then second, natural log of a to the b, pull down that exponent, and I get b times natural log of a. Thanks so much, and good luck.